Okay, so we have a free response question, and we are given this pictograph right here. Each month for 4 months, Gabriella recorded the number of days the sun was visible at noon. She started the pictograph below, but has not yet completed the row for June. So days and sun, okay, days the sun was visible. So every time there's the sun, it's 4 days. So I wanted to find out how much for each of these. Okay, what I would do is I would say, all right, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full suns for March. Each sun is 4, so 6 times 4 is going to be 24. For April, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. May is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not 6, 5.5. May is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So that's 5.5, or 5 5/10 times 4. So maybe we go off to the side, 5 5/10 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20, so write out 0, carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. We had 1 decimal place, so add a decimal there, and that just ends up being 22.0, which is 22. So what do we do first? How many days was the sun visible at noon in March? Well, we came up with 24, so we will write out 24 days. That's part A. So let's remember these numbers, 24, 16, 22. We'll write them out here. How many more days was the sun visible at noon in May than in April? Explain how you found your answer. How many more days in May than April means May was 22 and April was 16. So we need to do 22 minus 16. So 22 minus 16, 2 minus 6 can't do it, so let's borrow from here and make you a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 minus 1 is nothing, so we end up with 6 more days. So your explanation is to find more days in May, you must subtract. Okay, that was B. All right, so those were our numbers. Part C. To finish the pictograph, Gabriella put 9 complete sun pictures in a row for June. Explain how you know Gabriella made a mistake when she finished the pictograph. Well, if she's going to put 9 suns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that means the way we would read that is we would do 9 times 4, which is 36. Well, I'll explain this in words. 9 times 4 equals 36 days. Yeah, what's the big deal? Well, there isn't 36 days in June or any month. So that doesn't make sense. In fact, there's 30. So 36 is way too many. But that's the end of that free response question.